Okay, I wanted to make a push stick for the table saw, and because I've got the laser I wanted to make it a little bit different, but I was going to take one of these templates to work from, so I'm going to pick this one. I just wanted to show how I was going to do it, so I just copied the image and then I'll paste it. I can probably trace this. Okay. And then, because I don't want all that other stuff, I'm going to single it out. Just uncheck the outside line and delete the rest. And then delete the picture. I'm going to put this onto a line so you can see it. And then what I've got to do is add this onto, I wanted to add this onto there, so what I'm going to do is get this the right size first, which is, according to that plan, this should be about 5/8. Yeah, it's pretty close. So now I've got to add that onto there. Hopefully I can trace around the outside of this, just to give myself a line. So now I've got the outline. I know if I do that, then I can line this up with it on there. It's just a matter of making it the right size. That's it. Just want to make sure it's all on the inside. So now if I preview that, you can see there it's going to do that, and then cut this as the front. So I'm going to try that one out. But yeah, you could do anything really. I mean, you can take your own photo of your own hand, or you could put whatever you wanted in there. So yeah, I'm going to try this one out and see how that goes. Okay, before I send that, I just wanted to show. So it's sending them to like that, because all this white piece isn't going to be etched. I've got a 350 speed at a 25 power for the image, and then a 10 speed at an 80 power to cut the, I'm using 1/4 inch MDF. So I'll just quickly show a preview. So that's what it's going to do. Etch the bike first and then cut the handle. So let's see how that goes. I'm going to start that now. Yeah, so now to go and test it.